Hello everyone, thank you for joining me once again today. This is a channel that introduces the vocational training that you can have as options in Germany, and it would be very nice if you watch the video to the end. It can help someone. Are you new in Germany or you don't understand the language yet, you are still trying to find your path? Then this is a very good channel for you, for friends, families, for young ones who are still looking to, I don't know what to do. Or maybe you are here and you don't understand language yet and you're still trying to figure it out. It's just relax and watch the videos to the end. In this video, I'll be discussing how to go, the certificates you need, the description, where you can find the job. That is what this channel does. And today I'll be discussing, this is a continuation video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. If my video has helped you, kindly write a comment and don't forget to share with families and friends. Don't give up on your careers because only you can stop you. Today I'll be discussing the 17th career path in this area of specialization, which is the first area of specialization. That's Berufe rund das Auto und das Straßenverkehr. And the 17th career path has different area of specialization as well. This is the first area of specialization. It has just two. The first area of specialization is in the Fachrichtung Fahrradtechnik. That's a specialization bicycle technology. The duration for this is 3 years and 5 months, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training. The certificates you need are the Hochschulreife, the Hauptschulabschluss, and the Realschulabschluss. These certificates you can use to get into this career path. More so, what do they do? The bicycle, if you are going to a career as a bicycle technology specialist, then you'll be able to assemble bicycles. You'll be able to repair them. Not just that, you'll be able to convert motors into it, like the electronic bicycle that is being used now. And it's not just the bicycle, two-wheeled cars as well. You can two-wheel bicycle. You can couple them, design them as well. And the duration is 3 years and 5 months. It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. Where do they find employment? You can find employment at repair shops for bicycles and bicycle companies that design and develop bicycles. And you can also work at where they rent out bicycles. Don't forget, the world is advancing, technology is becoming more advanced. So it's not just the normal pedal bicycles, but how the motors, the electronic bicycles are being made. This is what you learn here as well. Feel free to share with family and friends. If you have any questions, write us in the comment section, send us an email. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers because only you can stop you. So this is the second career path in this area of specialization. This is the area, a second area of specialization, I mean to say, and that's the Fachrichtung Motorradtechnik. That's specialization motorcycle technology. If you want to, you're a lover of power bikes, motorcycles, this is a career you want to look into. The duration is 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. The duration is 3 years and it is a recognized training occupation. Do you need certificates? If you have this certificate, yes, your chances are high. That is your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, and your Hauptschulabschluss. That's your secondary school leaving certificate, your high school leaving certificate, and your university qualification. Any of the certificates you can get into this career path. And more so, what do they do? What they do is they assemble motorcycles. They check the safety system, is the standard regulation is adhered to. They make sure that the pneumatic systems, the braking system is okay. They build it into it. They also build hybrid systems for motorcycles. That is what they do. Where do they find employment? They can find employment at repair shops, motorcycle manufacturing companies, and dealer shops. That is where they sell parts for motorcycles. They can, what do they do as well? They tell customers, they follow what customers want. They give them the requirements and they follow the standard of what the customer wants, following definitely the safety rules, and they they can change and make changes and do things that the customer wants on their motorcycle as well. Don't forget, it is 3 years and it's an Alicante Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. Don't give up on your careers. Thank you for watching this far. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. The next video is I'll be discussing the second area of specialization under logistics and transport. That is logistics on Verkehr. The second area of specialization, if you're interested in aviation, you're interested in um, aviation, yeah, the flight industry, then this is a video you want to watch and not miss. So see you in my next video. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers because only you can stop you.